Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA came down quite deep now into this support area that I highlighted to you in the last video. So you could say the target range has been reached, but I already warned you in the last video that I don't like the look of it. It came down to sharp, very sharp pullback. And if it really is going to do this third wave within a C wave, then it would really need to turn around now. I have very little hope, because the pullback doesn't look clearly corrective. But of course, it can do that as long as it's holding the 78.6 FIB level. Below that level, it's most likely that it's something else that's playing out here. I've got another idea. I mean, don't get me wrong. What we're doing here, we're simply tracking wave structures at the moment. I don't see any reliable trade setup. Yes, this one worked. Yes, we had one, I think it was here or here, worked. But it's not anything that is, how should I say, it's not a high quality trade setup at the moment. The reason is we are below the trend line. Price got rejected at the trend line. We are within a larger triangle. Yeah, let me zoom out a bit. We are within a larger Elliott wave triangle. I did take the trend lines out, not to mess it all up, but here we are within a larger Elliott wave triangle, just a sideways range. And I highlighted to you that whatever ADA is doing, you're likely going to see headwinds approaching. So price is purely doing what we said it would do, which is giving us a choppy time, a hard time really. It looks a bit like what we did here, right? Can you see that? It's just in small. And also this broke to the upside. So I've got an idea. I mean, either it really turns around now from here, and I call that a third wave of a C wave, all within the triangle still, to complete the last wave, which is the E wave of the triangle. And then we should make another bear market low. Or if it breaks below the 26.4 cent level, then I think it might have topped here in a so-called WXY structure, or actually ABC. This, however, was a wave W in 3 waves. W. It would then come down in an X wave and then rally in a Y wave. So basically that it still will get this E wave higher, just not as a simple ABC structure that we're tracking at the moment, more in a more complex WXY structure, highlighted now in green, which would still lead to a higher E wave. So that is still my base case, to get that E wave. And without an E wave, this large triangle that already started in December 22 isn't going to be finished. The question is just, when does it start? So we're tracking here a few setups that could basically be the launch pad for that E wave rally. But so far, it hasn't really given us any strong indication that it's rallying towards it, because yes, we tracked here an ABC structure, and yes, it reacted to the support area, and yes, it rallied yesterday, but it basically lost, like here, nearly 80% of yesterday's rally again. There's just not a sign of strength, and that just indicates this C wave might not have started. But again, it's holding support right now. As long as it's holding support, we treat it like that. I can just tell you that one more low will give us 5 waves down, and it will not be a wave 2 that's unfolding here, okay? So essentially, the price is just sort of doing what it's normally doing in such a triangle pattern. It's giving us rapid up and down movements. That's the exact reason why I said to you this is not a high quality setup, because we don't have the larger trend behind us, you know. I warned on Discord and Telegram as well, anybody who's attempting a long trade here, just be aware to be, just be prepared for headwinds, because what you don't have is, if you look for a setup on the smaller time frame for maybe a long trade, you don't have that larger degree uptrend that is going to give you the support that you really need. So that's the reason why we get a lot of headwinds here, and why the pullback was quite strong as well. So yeah, but overall, no change to plan at the moment, just watching if it can hold that 26.4 cent level. If not, then it might do that larger WXY structure, which, I'm going to put onto the chart right now, actually. here highlighted in green. W, no, that's not green, but I'll put that on the chart. W, the X wave might land somewhere here, and then a Y wave highlighted in green like that. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.